Hi, Barbara Friedberg here, owner of Robo-Advisor Pros, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to delve into the pros, the cons, and the features of SigFig Robo-Advisor to help you determine whether this is the best robo-advisor for you. So let's get started. There's a lot to like at SigFig. Consequently, we gave it a 4.8 rating out of 5. Their fees are reasonable, their investment choices are just great, it's an easy-to-use platform, and they also offer some unique tools and resources to evaluate your investments, even if you don't sign up for the managed portfolio options. SigFig would be best if you already have an account at Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, or Fidelity, because you will not have to move your existing account to another platform. SigFig is also great if you're looking for a robo-advisor that also offers access to human financial advisors. So what is SigFig? It is an investment management platform that uses science and data to help you simplify investing and reach your goals. They have two different levels. One is free and the other costs a small fee. The SigFig Portfolio Tracker is a free investment tracking and analysis tool. Anybody can use it, anyone can sign up for it. The Managed Portfolio is the Robo-Advisor section, and this is a comprehensive low-fee and digital investment manager with access to live human advisors and many features, including tax loss harvesting and rebalancing. We'll get into the features at a glance, who SigFig is best for, and then take a quick breeze around the SigFig website. So let's get started. Minimum investment amount. If you choose the managed portfolio option, you'll need to pony up $2,000. So if you don't have $2,000, you might want to look at some of the robo-advisors with lower investment management entry points, such as SoFi Invest, which does not have a minimum investment amount and does also offer free financial advisors. And when Finance has a $100 minimum, Betterment has a $0 minimum as well. If you want to use the free financial tools, there's no minimum. Anyone can use them. The top features that we love are the live financial advisors. Many investors find that very, very useful. They have excellent tax minimization tools. Now, those will apply only for your taxable brokerage account. So if you're only opening an IRA, then you don't need to worry about those. It's also quite a nice bonus if you don't have to transfer your assets out into another account. So how much does it cost to have your investments managed at SigFig? The first $10,000 that you have invested with a managed portfolio is managed for free. That's awesome. Now, of course, there are some, like I mentioned, robo-advisors that don't charge a management fee, like Schwab or like SoFi, M1 Finance as well. But the investments that you have in the platform above $10,000 will be charged 0.25%. That's a quarter on $100. So clearly it's not a lot of money. The accounts available, and this is another feature that we really like. If you're opening a taxable account, you'll have access to an individual and a joint brokerage account. Now, some of your investment apps and robo-advisor apps only offer single brokerage taxable accounts. I find that quite limiting. What if you have a partner? What if you get a partner later and you want to open a joint brokerage account? So I think that's important for many people. Then the retirement account choices are great. For individual requirement accounts, you have your Roth, traditional, and a rollover IRA. But if you're a small business person, the SEP and simple IRAs are also great to start building up your retirement savings with assets from your business. The funds are low fee, commission-free, exchange-traded funds from very well-regarded families. They span a variety of asset classes, which we'll look at later, but they're very, very well diversified. And they come from State Street, Vanguard, iShares, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab, all names that really need no explanation if you've been around the block in the investment world. Now, here's a real differentiator. 24/7 live chat, phone 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time, and financial advisors are available for account holders. We love that. And as I previously mentioned, $10,000 is managed for free. Let's go down and look at the investments quickly, and then we'll wrap up with who it's best for and a quick breeze around the SigFig website. Here's a sample asset allocation, which is, I'd say, a moderate type of portfolio. Overall, they have 62% in stocks, 38% in bonds, and the individual investments within the portfolio come from U.S. stocks, international stocks, treasury bonds, inflation-protected bonds, and U.S. corporate investment grade bonds. And here are the variety of asset classes, very, very well diversified. I would have no complaints or problems with any of those. So who is the best candidate to use SigFig? Well, the free portfolio tracker is great for anyone who wants to monitor their investments, plan for retirement, check on their fees. Although Personal Capital also has a free portfolio tracker, and it is more comprehensive than that at SigFig. They have a really in-depth retirement planner, net worth planner, spending reports, and really a lot more bells and whistles. Now, if you already hold investments at Schwab, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade, you might want to look at SigFig. Although Schwab has a Robo-Advisor, Fidelity has a Robo-Advisor, and TD Ameritrade's digital Robo-Advisor just closed out and moved all their clients to the Schwab Robo-Advisor because they have merged with that company. Small investors who have from $2,000 to $10,000 will like the fact that there is free investment management. SigFig also includes real estate assets, which I'm partial to in their asset allocation. Of course, both Access and Invest and Wealthfront do also offer real estate assets. So let's jump on over and take a quick breeze through their platform before we close it out. Very easy to find, SigFig. You get started by answering a few questions like you do at most robo-advisors. And this will get your portfolio set up to fit your needs and your goals and your time horizon. Then they will present you with your personalized portfolio choices. Of course, they have a mobile app like you'll find at most robo-advisors. You can make appointments with your personal investment advisor online. And then the features, as we've discussed already, are the rebalancing, reinvest your dividends, and the tax minimization structures. Fees are low. And here are just a couple sample scenarios for someone who would be saving with a variety of different portfolios from low to high to moderate. I like this. It gives you a ballpark. It's not a guarantee. You can look at how their portfolios have performed in the past. Again, it's good information, but it doesn't prove how they're going to perform in the future. The fees, I think, are reasonable. The 0.25% of assets under management compares very favorably with the fees you would pay to your typical traditional financial advisor. So, thank you so much for showing up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and I will have links below to the robo-advisors that I have mentioned, to the report that I am referencing. And if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more investment and robo-advisor information. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.